Hey there, Casey. I'm at TaxSaleAcademy.com answering your tax sale questions. Today's question comes to us from Graham on YouTube. It says, when I buy a tax deed property, what else do I have to pay? Graham, thank you so much for submitting your question. So generally, your fees during the purchase of a tax deed are going to include your bid amount. Obviously, the amount that you bid for the property, you have to pay it. But it's also going to include some sort of recording fee. And this is to record the actual deed itself. And most counties, most states charge per page. So it could be 1 or 2 pages. And that's rather nominal, say 10, 20 bucks. There'll also usually be a documentary stamp tax. And this is a tax that is a percentage of the purchase price, and you can check with your specific state to see exactly how much that is. Now, if the property is sold through an auction company, there's going to be a buyer's premium of some sort, which is how the auctioneers make their money. And this can be as high as 10 or 15% of the purchase price, which can be a shocker to some people. So just keep that in mind. Then after that, you'll nearly always be required to pay for the taxes and for the year in which you bought the property. And it does not matter if you own that property the entire year or just 1 or 2 days. So for example, if you buy a tax sale property in November of this year, you might still owe taxes for the entire year, even though your ownership has just been for a couple of months. Outside of that, don't forget title clearing expenses if you do decide to go that route, if it makes sense for your property. Then there are other fees, of course, depending on your goals and your strategies. Things like the cost of borrowing money, realtor commissions, closing costs when you go to sell the property. So be sure to factor all of these things in to your specific strategy to make sure that you get the entire picture if you are working on a budget or if you're just a numbers person. Also, what you can do is go to your county website and just double check their fees. You know, some might have some sort of bidder registration fee, stuff like that. So just double check this information. But generally speaking, the fees that I just listed are going to be the ones that you'll have to end up paying for. So there it is. Hopefully this helps you out, Graham. For more information on the tax sale business, make sure you check out our website at TaxSaleAcademy.com. Hey, take care, folks. Bye-bye.